Hi guys, so I'm really quickly going to show you how to set up your profile picture in Zoom and keep it when you go to meetings. You have to first log in to the Zoom website. So it is, I'm going to retype it. It's www.zoom.us. And you get to this screen and you will click sign in or join a meeting. So I'm going to click sign in. And see where that button says stay signed in? Make sure that's clicked, but then we're going to log in with Google. Okay. Make sure this is clicked to stay signed in. That way, when you join meetings later, you'll still be signed into your account. And then click sign in with Google. I'm going to continue with my school account, not my personal account, because we need to be all on the school account or it doesn't really work. Now I'm logged into my meeting. You'll see I already have my profile picture. I'm going to show you how to change yours. All you do is click change. And then upload. So I'm going to click upload. And I'm going to pick a picture. Let's see. It's Friday, so we're going to be awesome today. And then all I do is take this little box and make the box the whole size of the whole thing. Now that's my profile picture. I don't have to save anything. Let me go down and make sure there's nothing to save. But the big thing is at the beginning to click that stay signed in button and then Google. Now when I join a meeting, my profile picture will be there. So my meetings are down here. If you get a link to something and join it after you've made sure you logged in, now it should all be on there. It may take a couple of meetings to show up, but it should. So now if you go to your class and click the meeting, it should log you in with your profile picture. I hope this helps.